Well, g'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Alright, I'm working on my giveaway knives. As you can see, they are a little bit long. I did get started a while back before I got sick and Christina was helping me.
Do you want this look with the hoodie and everything?
Do you know what colour my hair is under this?
Yeah, you want that look.
Absolutely wonderful having your kids help you out. Doing something that you enjoy with them. Now, first up, we've got Sherrie from Two Family Homestead. She's already bought a knife off me. So that's the one she already has, which is a little petite knife, a little petite chef's knife. So it was a matter of finding out what she wanted in a knife and then matching it to be the same as that other one. So Sherrie's picked this little paring knife. She wanted another knife to complement her other one, so a little paring knife, and that's going to get the brown mallee. As you can see, a very pretty wood with brass fittings, so nice and simple. Next up, Vonnie, she decided she wanted to go with a European style chef's knife, which is this one right here, and she picked this lovely piece of wood out of my collection. This is a piece of messamate. Looks like it's a bit of burled messamate. It's got two colours in it. Sometimes these colours don't run all the way through, but it looks like that lighter section does run through on this, which I'm hoping it does, because that's going to be very, very pretty. So Vonnie's got the European style chef's knife, the messamate, and also copper fittings. Lastly, Laurie from Firefly Farm, she decided she wanted a butcher style knife. Luckily I had already made one of these as an extra one, so it saved me making the knife. Yeah, it's really funny how sometimes I just get the urge to make an extra knife and then someone wants it. Handy. Alright, now for Laurie's, she's after some micarta. And we went through a few colours and that sort of thing, and she's decided on this green and blue, and I'm going to make a paper micarta for it. Now I'm going to do a video on making the micarta because I've been meaning to make one for a while. I've made micarta before. This knife here, that's got the same material as my little neck knife. But as you can see on this one, because this is one of my early pieces, I used fiberglass resin on it and it's yellowed the white off a bit. So I've got some brand new crystal clear stuff, super duper. So we'll be using that to make some micarta up. All right, so there we are. I've got to continue the process on these. Hopefully Christina's gonna give me a bit more of a hand, because yeah, it's fun working with her. Plus I need a bit of a hand being sick at the moment. All right, thank you very much everyone for watching, and bye for now.